Ever since na nirelease ko tong scent na to, ito talaga yung pinaka-best-selling scent sa ating collection, which is Swiftness. Nasaan ka na, Swiftness? Saan yung Swiftness natin? Ayun. This is Swiftness. This is inspired by Katy Perry Meow. Ang masasabi ko lang dito, it is sweet, fun, and may pagka-konting flirty. Ito yung Swiftness natin. Ang vibe niya, playful flirtation with creamy vanilla, juicy pear, at gardenia na perfect combination. This is ideal for cozy evening o kapag naman feel mo na gusto mo maging youthful and spirited na mood. Ito yun. Ito yun, guys. This one is perfect for movie nights or casual dates. Alam niyo kung bakit ito ang pinaka-favorite? I think because nakakabata yung mood niya. This is one of the most sweet na scent na meron ako. Kaya naman, Swiftness, go-to mo for warm and sweet moments. Ang maganda dito, this is 30% oil concentration. Kaya naman talagang long-lasting nito. Kaya naman if you want to purchase one, go to velocityphilippines.com and don't forget to use our code VELOCITY for 5% off para nyo naman makuha nyo ng mas mura ito. Let's go.